Hi, this is librarian Jennifer Bone, and I'm going to show you how to use SWC's library catalog. Now, to get to the library at SWC, it's online, so you can just go to swc.edu and go to the main page. To find the library, you can either hover over Student Services and click on Library, or Community and click on Library. Once you land on the library page, to search for books or articles at the library, just scroll down underneath the picture and you'll see a blue rectangle. That's what we call our search widget. And you'll see that on our search widget we have a tab for articles, for books and movies, and for finding facts. Today we're going to look at how to find children's books in the SWC Library Collection and request them. So you can click on Books and Movies. When you're on this tab here, to search the catalog, just click on the word Search. When you land on this page, this is where you can come in and you can search anything in the catalog. So what we're going to do is just search a Maurice Sendak book, Where the Wild Things Are. And then I'm just going to hit Enter, or you can click on the magnifying glass. Now you'll see when the items come up, they come up in a list like this. This one by Maurice Sendak, Where the Wild Things Are two versions found, and we can see all versions just by clicking on that. And it'll tell you that there are other locations besides Redbud that have it, or the Belleville campus has it right here in this book. So if we wanted to get it from Belleville, all we'd have to do is click on the title. I can see right down here the location of the item, the Belleville Campus Library, and it's in green, it says it's available. So to order it, I can see it says the item is in place and it's loanable. To order it, I would just need to click Sign In. From this page, this is where you'd want to just put in your eStorm username and password, which is the same as your Blackboard username and password. So once I get to right here, I'm going to hit the Request button. Oh, and it didn't even give me the option to sign in because it looks like it remembered who I was. So normally you'd have to put in your username and password. From here, I want to click my pickup institution, and it should be the one at the very top. My pickup location, I will select my campus. And then I'll just hit the Send Request. And then you should get a green box that says your request was successfully placed. Now as I look at this page, I can come down here and get some more details about the book. If I want more books that talk about fantasy or conduct of life or children in their conduct of life, I can always click on these. These are called subject headings, and they're kind of like hashtags for books. That you'd have a hashtag on a tweet, you can have a hashtag on a book, and that's what these subject terms are. It kind of groups the same types of books together with these particular terms. Now if I wanted to use this particular book when I'm writing up a review for it or just sharing some information about it and I need the citation, please know that there is a citation button right here towards the top of the page. And you'll see that all of the different types of formats are located here. So if you wanted to use the APA 6th edition, you can click right there. And then you can copy the citation to a clipboard, and then you can paste it in your Google Doc or in your Word document, wherever you need to use it. So to get back to the previous page, we can just hit back. If I wanted to look something up and I knew that I had a particular theme I was working on, I can type in turtles. And when it comes up here, it'll look like this. As I scroll through, I can see all these great turtle books. If I wanted to see what books were here at my library, I can go over on the left side and I can tweak my results. And I can say what is available at the Belleville Campus Library, and I can select that. And I can see it's listed right up here at the top. I can also go down over here to source types if I wanted to make sure it was a book. It's not a lot of options for that. But I can look at any of these other facets to kind of look at where things are located, what are the subject areas that are coming up. So know that all of these are some tools that you can use to kind of narrow down what's coming up in your list. Now, if I wanted to get one of these books, like Sea Turtles of the World, I can click on the title. Since I'm already logged in, I can just hit my request button, select my institution, and my pickup location. So it's just that quick and that easy. And now I can have some books to look at. I can click this closed by checking this big X right there. Now in the top right hand corner, I can see that my name is in the right hand corner because I'm logged in. If I wanted to look at my library card, my loans, or my requests, I can go click here on my requests and I can say, oh, what did I request? And I can just go over here and I can cancel these requests that I just made. Because I'm really not going to use those books, so I'm just going to cancel it. Alright, and so that's how you can find books that are located in this particular library at one of the SWIC Belleville campuses. Now if I want to go back and I want to do another search, know that you can request books from other academic libraries throughout the state. And to do that, all you have to do is type in your topic right here. So if I did Eric Carle, I can select, instead of searching just the SWIC library catalog, I can select all iShare libraries. And that will allow me to search 90 university and college libraries for books that they might have that I can request and have sent here for free. So if I look in here and I say, oh, okay, maybe I want to get this one, Pancakes, and let's see if I can order that one. They're giving me a lot of options. I can see that our library has it, so I would probably want to request this copy right here because I can get it quickly. If you send us a request, we can get it right away. If I wanted to do this one, I would have to click on the word iShare in the How to Get It section. And sometimes he moves a little slow. It's going to pop open, and then it's going to keep my information that it's going to send it to the Belleville Campus Library, and it's going to send it to SWIC. And then I can just click on Send Request, and it will look for this particular edition. So we might have had a different year of this book, but that was the particular year that maybe I wanted, so now my request was successfully placed at one of the other university libraries. So it'll take about 7 to 9 days for that particular item to arrive. So just know that it's that quick and it's that easy. Now if I wanted to look up just general maybe biographies, if that was one of the genres that I need, one of the terms that the library catalog likes, it doesn't like children's books, but it does like biography and juvenile. So that's a fancy word for kids, and that's how they kind of created the catalog by putting that term in there. So if I do biography and juvenile, and I can switch back to the SWIC library catalog, right over here, and then I can kind of just see what we have in our collection here for kids and juvenile. So just know that that's an easy way to do it. I did create a chart that's going to be in the PowerPoint, and it looks like this. So if you know the genre that you're looking for, I tried to identify what you should type in to the library catalog to find books on that topic. So if you're just looking for storybooks that don't have words, but it allows the kids to kind of create the story, you can do stories without words, and then you can narrow it down to just the Belleville campus, and that'll look in the Belleville Children's Collection, and then you'll be able to find things in there. So just these were some tips and tricks that I included on the PowerPoint slide so you know where to look when you were searching in the catalog. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is going to be in the PowerPoint, but also if you're ever on the library page, right below the picture, there is a link that says Contact Us. You can always send me an email right down here. It says underneath Ask a Reference Librarian. Here's me, Jennifer Bone, and my extension, and you're welcome to email. And Samantha Rogers, she's the other full-time librarian at the Belleville campus, and she's happy to help as well. So you can call or email either one of us. All right, thanks. Let us know if you have any questions.